You got 2 awards, Forestry Mulcher and for the Straddle's Prayer. Let's start from the latter. Why has it been so much appreciated? Well, first of all, it's entirely electrically powered, both for air generation and for the controls of the machine. What about R&D? Was it done entirely in-house, or did it involve cooperation with universities or other bodies? Well, partly it was done in-house, but especially for this Marcel project, which includes also other companies, we developed this sprayer with the support of the University of Turin.
Was the R&D on this project entirely in-house, or did it involve partnerships with universities or other research facilities? Yes, ideas usually come from partners or from the customers themselves who express a need for some innovation. And then we start working on the idea and try to find a solution for that specific problem. And then, of course, we have an in-house design department and also create partnerships with the universities and involve our safety department as well. In fact, the machines have to be advanced on a functional level, on a precision level, and always bearing in mind the safety standards and regulations.
What's the reason why your company was awarded the prize? Well, we can say this is a prize given to pure innovation. When we started the project a few years ago, it wasn't that common an attitude to pursue electrification of agricultural machinery. I immediately embraced this project very enthusiastically in cooperation with the University of Turin, the Polytechnic, and I can say results were enormously better than expected. You mentioned other manufacturers at the university, the Polytechnic of Turin, so partnering with the universities and consortia is extremely important, but then you need to obtain external funding, or could you rely on your in-house R&D department? In our case, we received funds from the Piedmont region from 2014 to 2020, and we're still receiving funds. But that was really very important for us because we could obtain the funds we needed to develop our project. So we could make considerable technological progress. And the support we received by the university was decisive. Because I should recognize that while working with many different Italian universities, I was really surprised at the professionalism of Turin University. Are you working on the domestic market only, or are you going international? By tradition, we've always had a domestic market, an Italian market. Our company is quite small, and we thought to serve our Italian customers in the best possible way instead of dispersing our energy abroad. But now the point is that we receive requests from abroad, and normally if we're interested in this request, we try and meet them. Communication is very important for a company, so I'm asking you, what's your communication strategy? This is the 7th consecutive award we receive. In total, we've received 8. The first one was in 2005, and since 2010, we've received an award every Eima International. This is the best communication strategy of all. As Enzo Ferrari used to say when asked why wasn't he advertising on newspapers and magazines, and he said, I receive a free advertising advertising on newspapers on Monday mornings where my car is the Ferrari win.
Quali sono le motivazioni per cui si è scelto di premiare?
What salient technological features led to this machine being awarded the prize? Well, certainly our device has been awarded the prize because of its technical characteristic. It's the first electric machine of this kind for reasons of productivity and safety. We have completely eliminated the internal mechanical transmission, and so we've been able to increase productivity and establish controls that are not present in traditional markets. What are the particular market and user segments that this new model addresses? Well, mostly we are referring to professional customers who can appreciate and enjoy and exploit these technological advantages. Was the R&D in this project entirely in-house, or did it involve partnership with universities, consortia, or other research facilities? Well, there were several phases of our R&D. We got the support of GISAP from Turin, the Faculty of Agriculture, and they helped us a lot to collect useful data on traditional machinery and use them as the basis for the development of this electric rotary tedder. After the first model was created, we made additional tests with the help of the university to assess the improvement vis-à-vis a traditional machine. What are your key foreign markets? For our company, our key foreign markets are European countries, especially France, Germany, and Spain, and all those markets basically where machines must be technologically advanced and be able to adjust to different conditions. What are the best way of communicating information about new products? Well, sectoral magazines are important, but social media are gaining ground very much, especially among new generations.